In the new version of NC-Simul, there is a fully customizable module for getting the very most out of automating a simulation process. As a user, you are able to create a template for exactly what you would like to automate behind the scenes and what you would like to receive as a report after doing so. To begin, click the automation icon in the File menu. Verify that the connection to the automation server is active. To access the template editor, select Add Task. As you can see, there is a list of predefined templates available to choose from in the list on the left. These can be used out of the box or as guidelines when creating a custom one, which is done by using the Add icon. It will automatically start a new template, which you can right-click and rename, in this case, Create 3D Movie. Feel free to add a description on what the template does if you wish. Then you can begin to build a series of functions for the template to execute. To add a function, select the gray square icon. The first process to add is to open the process itself. Choose the process type, which will be simulation for nearly all applications. From here, continue to build the process with whatever executable features that you would like to see by adding additional functions, again using the gray square. For this template, the next items are to import any defined simulation parameters, run the simulation, and include the 3D movie option. Then export the process with the name of your choice, and notice that it is creating the .ncsprj file for the shop floor. Output any alarms or errors that the simulation runs into, and finally, a command to close the project when complete. Hit Save and OK to create the template. Now it is selectable from the drop-down in the automation window. Choose the created template and then a project that you want to run using that template. It will get added to the queue and you will receive a Windows notification keeping you updated on the status of the operation. If you leave NC-Simul open, you can also see the exact progress of each process as well. Once it is finished, the criteria that was set, such as number of errors and warnings for each operation run, are displayed. To view the new file, simply close the automation process, sort by most recent projects, and see that there is now a .ncsprj file that can be sent to the shop floor and used right away. This system allows for the complete customization of automating any process that NC-Simul can execute, either locally or on a dedicated server, to maximize production output by minimizing the verification and therefore program-to-machine time.